All right, so now we are on Unit 8. So the question I was given for this unit, there's two questions, but the first one that we're going to go over is I personally think it's a little, not weird, but pretty difficult for me. So let me write it out for you guys so you guys can see why I say that. I am not that good at drawing these. K equals 1. You got 1,000. Minus 2k. So, probably looking at this like WTF, right? What the heck? Um, so basically here, we're gonna use an important formula this is how it's written down as. Let me write it down and then I'll explain to you what each little variable means. Sn is the sum. So what we're asked to find here is we're asked to find the sum of all the numbers at the 30th term. So we're gonna add, this is gonna be k equals 1 right here. Boom, 1. That's the first term. There's the first term. This is the starting term, first term. Boom. But we're supposed to find the sum at the 30th term. So Sn stands for sum equals n. Let me see, n. A1, which is the first term, plus an divided by 2. Okay, so basically, I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Yeah, you guys can see it. 1 equals the first term, and an equals the last term, which in this case, the last term is 30 right here. 30 right here. So, and n, obviously, n right here, n equals your term, whichever term you're looking for. Right? So let's write this in number form. Let's go. What's the first one? 1,000, 2, which is the first term, then k is the first term, right? Boom, 1. What does that equal to? Minus, that's 1, that's 998. Now let's just do the 30th term real quick. I plugged it all into the calculator and I got 940. I didn't show the work obviously, but it's basically 1,000 minus 230. This, it equals to this number. So now let's plug in this number right here, this number into this equation now. Now, n, what we said it was the 30th term, which is this term, which is the term we're solving for. A1, which is your first term, this is our first term, 998 over, oh no, my bad, plus 940, which is an, which is the term we're solving for, right? The sum of that term, or the answer we got for that term. Now we're going to divide this by 2, right? So basically what I want to do real quick off the bat is divide this and this. I want to cancel these out. Boom. What we're going to do is basically divide 30 into half. 15, make it a little bit easier. 998 plus 940. Or you can, automatically do this and then multiply by 38. It gives you the same answer. I just prefer to do it like this. Now let's add this. We get 1,938 times 15 now, right? What do you get? 29,000. Yes, you guys can still see 29,070. So 29,070 and 70. So basically, this is your final answer. This is a sum from going from the first term all the way to the 30th term. Instead of writing all of them out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 30. It's a simple equation. This is your formula that you use, and you basically plug in the numbers into the formula, and this is your final answer. So the only difference that some of you might do is add these first, then divide it, and then multiply it by 30. I just wanted to cut the middleman out. I am personally like that. I just like to make my work a little bit simpler. So I just did this. Cancel out the 2, cancel that out, and I got 15. What's the half of 30? 15. Yeah, obviously. So then basically now what I did was I just added this. Got 1,938 times 15. So what do we get? 29,070. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, that means that the meaning of that answer is that it's the sum of all the numbers going from the first term to the 30th term. and we had to find the objective to find this, the thing to find what the question, this question was asking us was to find the sum of all the terms from 1 to 30. And it was just basically cutting out, making our work a little shorter. So our answer is 29,070. Thank you.